Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray, and welcome to day 4 of our 12 days of giveaway. What we are doing to celebrate you guys and celebrate other small businesses is choosing a small business to highlight and do a giveaway of their product every single day. They don't know that we're doing this. If I was a better planner, I would let them know and we would figure things out and it would have been a collaboration. But I just thought I'm just gonna buy my favorite things from them and then let people go to their website if they're interested in learning more. So if you follow me on Instagram, and actually if you paint with me at all, one of a huge key component that I literally use every single day is my canvas lamp. Okay, so this is essentially a lamp and a phone holder. So those step-by-step sheets, those Instagram reels, all of that comes from this.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
Every day I use this.
It's a workhorse.
It is a workhorse and it is a necessity to my process. So I thought I honestly have about 4 of these at different stations so I can do all of my different stuff, but I've been supporting them for years. They're another small business. I think they started during COVID. They just make a fantastic product. So let me show you how it works. You just put your phone over top here, and the great thing is it can go up, down, you can do angles, it swivels, and this is a light. So if you're working at a desk, if you paint at night, all of that kind of stuff, you can turn on the light. And not only does it have a light, you can make it go brighter, darker. You can change the color temperatures, like whatever you need to do to create that thing that you want. So I love it so much. It's super useful and it's super creative because you can get all these different angles. This is adjustable. You can make it taller, shorter, all of this. This rotates. I mean, it's truly perfect when it comes to getting the light that you need for your artwork, and also if you want to record any of your process, essentially. Okay?
Awesome.
I think Stuart is owned. He just had their family owns and runs this, and his wife and him just had another little baby, and they're just so great. They're really kind people. So I'm happy to introduce you to them and to support them. So Michael.
Yes.
If you can.
You ready?
Tell us the winner, please.
Canvas lamp goes to Teresa Collard.
Teresa, congratulations. Thank you so much for following along with us. Thank you so much for being a part of our community. I really hope you enjoy this lamp. Oh, also I'll say this one's mine. That's why it's kind of all banged up. Yours is going to be fresh and new, straight out of the box. Don't you worry about that. And we are going to email you to make sure we have your correct mailing address, and then we'll get this gift on its way to you. Thank you so much for doing this. And if you guys are interested in looking at something like this for your own art space, then we're going to include the Canvas website on our captions so you can take a look there. They have a few different options. It's mostly just different colored bases and lamps. They also have some other cool product if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you guys for day 5. Bye.